Edo Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don show ingratitude to Naija Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu as im thank am well for the support and commitment wey e dey give Edo people. The governor tok say Edo State go back Presido Tinubu fully for the 2027 presidential election. Governor Okpebholo tok dis one when he give a goodwill message for food wey dem distribute when the Renewed Hope Initiative (RHI) organize as part of the social investment program. For im speech, the governor tok say the people of Edo State go support the president well for 2027 as he don give plenty support to help the vulnerable citizens for the state. Governor Okpebholo come also thank Naija First Lady and chairperson of the RHI, Senator Lady Remi Tinubu, for the love and dedication wey she dey show to make sure say Nigerians go enjoy the benefits of democracy. He come praise her motherly role and how she dey work to improve the well-being of citizens across the country.
On behalf of Edo State government, please, ma'am, take my sincere thank you to her. We are very happy. Edo today is beginning to see a new dawn. Look at food all over. We are very delighted. I want to also let you know that Edo people are behind her. She's our sister. 2027, 100% sure. Beyond 100%, will give our dear president.
The First Lady, Senator Lady Remi Tinubu, wey hijack Nana Shettima, the Vice Presido wife, represent, come talk say food outreach start for March 2024 for Abuja to help give vulnerable families food. She come also yarn the people wey collect the food say make them not sell am, but make them use am well to support their family. Come also talk say for this initiative, dem go do more work this year wey go include education, health, economic, empowerment, social investment and agriculture. Say the program go help complement the Renewed Hope agenda wey Presido Tinubu government dey push.
Your Excellency, I'm here to represent the mother of the nation, who is also the national chairman of the Renewed Hope Initiative, Her Excellency Senator Lady Remi Tinubu, CON. She loves to have been here in person, but being the Vice National Chairman of the Renewed Hope Initiative, she assigned me to represent her here. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, I am here and honored to be representing Her Excellency Senator Lady Remi Tinubu, CON, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the National Chairman of the Renewed Hope Initiative at the Renewed Hope Initiative Food Outreach Program in Edo State. Her address reads as follows. I am glad to be here today to formally hand over essential food commodities to Edo State through the Renewed Hope Initiative Coordinator of the Office of the First Lady in Edo State for onward distribution to vulnerable groups under the Renewed Hope Initiative Social Investment Program. This food outreach scheme began March 8, 2024, and the Federal Capital Territory to provide vulnerable households with food items to support their families. So far, we have been able to donate food items to 6 states across Nigeria, such as Kano State, Benue, Nasarawa, Ekiti, Cross River, and Gombe State. These food supplies have been made possible by an anonymous civil public-spirited company and the Abdul Samad Rabiu Africa Initiative, who are committed to supplying food items on a monthly basis to Renewed Hope Initiative for onward distribution to Nigerians. By the grace of God, the next states to benefit from the food outreach scheme are Kwara, Kogi, and Abia. I am pleased to share with you all the since inception in 2023, the Renewed Hope Initiative has made significant progress in our effort to support our people, particularly women and youth towards building a better life for their families. I want to assure you that there will be more activities this year under the 5 scope of Renewed Hope Initiative that covers agriculture, education, economic empowerment, health, social investment. These programs aim to further complement the renewed hope agenda of the administration of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. As we distribute food items to families today, we implore and encourage you to make good use of these items. Please do not sell the food items as they are intended to support your families. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the well-meaning corporate organizations that have consistently supported us with food items on a monthly basis. I want to seize this opportunity to appreciate and commend the Governor of Edo State, His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, for his support toward the success of this program and other Renewed Hope Initiative activities. Also, I wish you a successful tenure in office, and I pray that God will grant you the wisdom and strength to discharge your duties with diligence and excellence. To the Renewed Hope Coordinator in Edo State, Mrs. Anini, we say thank you. On this note, to the glory of God and to the benefit of the selected beneficiaries, I hand over these food items to Edo State government for onward distribution. Thank you all for your kind attention. I wish you all a happy and prosperous 2025. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Signed, Her Excellency Senator Remi Tinubu, CON, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the National Chairman of the Renewed Hope Initiative. Thank you.
The coordinator of the Office of the First Lady of Edo State, Edisili Anani Okpebholo, contact the First Lady for the program wey don touch the lives of millions of Nigerians in less than 2 years, say the vulnerable people for Edo State go receive their own food items. She come also thank Governor Okpebholo for the progress when he don make in less than 3 months for office.
Today we're here to witness another milestone in the already well-too famous pet project of Her Excellency, the Renewed Hope Initiative Social Investment Program themed Food Outreach for a Donation for the Vulnerable. It will be recalled in less than 2 years into its inauguration, the Renewed Hope Initiative has ministered to the needs of millions of Nigerians, directly or indirectly, in the different areas of our nations, in health, education, food security, gender equality, and lots more. Barely 3 months into the life of this administration, the First Lady has not failed in blazing the trail in providing her motherly role across the length and breadth of Edo State, as the Renewed Hope Initiative has had great impact on the life of its people. Barely 4 weeks ago, the life of the elderly in our state benefited from her benevolence. Today, the vulnerable are benefiting from her motherly gesture as a mother to all in the launch of the food scheme program to the vulnerable. It is indeed a testament that no one is left behind and everyone has access to food. Please give her a round of applause. I assure you that these items get to the people it is intended to satisfy. As it is written, whoever is generous to the vulnerable lends to the Lord, and he will repay him for his good deeds. Furthermore, I'd like to appreciate the Executive Governor of our dear state, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, who has bagged all positive names since the assumption in office: Akpako Construction, Akpako Rescue, Akpako Messiah, just to mention a few. Thank you for always opening the doors when we come knocking, and your great support towards the success of this program. Your Excellency, I thank you very much. Finally, to to our great mother, distinguished Senator Remi Tinubu SON, on behalf of the great people of Edo State. Please, I said that again. On behalf of the people of Edo State, please give yourselves a round of applause. We thank you for your love, your kindness, your generosity. Indeed, our hope is renewed and a new Edo has risen. Thank you very much.
The items we then distribute include noodles, semovita, pasta, and others. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.